Hello and welcome to physicscatalyst.com. Let us now look at our question. Our question states that a book with many printing errors contains 4 different formulas for the displacement y of a particle undergoing a certain periodic motion. So the various options given are y is equals to a sine 2 pi t by t, y is equals to a sine vt, y is equals to a by t sine t by a, y is equals to a root 2 sine 2 pi t by t plus cos 2 pi t by t. Now here it is given in the question that a is equals to maximum displacement of the particle, v is equals to speed of the particle, t is equals to time period of motion. Now rule out the wrong formulas on the dimensional grounds. Now let us look at our solution. According to dimensional analysis, an equation must be dimensionally homogeneous and trigonometric function should also be dimensionless. We can easily rule out the incorrect formula based on this statement. Now, to rule out the wrong formulas, we will find the dimensions of left hand side and right hand side of all these 4 cases and see which one of them are dimensionally incorrect. Now dimensions of left hand side of all the equations or all the cases is the dimensions of length, which is L. Let us now find the dimensions of right hand side of case A. So here we have A sine 2 pi t by t. Now here according to question, A, which is maximum displacement, would have dimension of length, 2 pi is dimensionless, and this t and t would have dimensions of time. So we have dimensions of this case is equals to L sine t by t, which is equals to L. So this relation is dimensionally correct. Now in case B, we have A sine Vt. Now dimensions of this case is equals to L sine L t to the power minus 1 times t. Here L t to the power minus 1 is dimensions of velocity. So we get L sine L. Now here note that trigonometric function is not dimensionless. So this relation is dimensionally incorrect. Now in a third part or third case we have A by t sine t by a. If we find dimensions of this relation, we have L by t sine t by L. Here also trigonometric relation is not dimensionless. So this relation is dimensionally incorrect. Now in our fourth case, or case D, we have a upon under root 2 sine 2 pi t by t plus cos 2 pi t by t. Now dimension of this relation is L sine t by t plus cos t by t. Now in this case, our trigonometric function is dimensionless. So this relation is also dimensionally correct. So from our calculation, we see that formulas B and C are dimensionally incorrect. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching.